ever been in a situation where you don't know what's happening around in your office? Who is engaged into doing what and what are they spending time on? Well, timesheet module is the right solution for you. Here, you get to track what your employee is working on with a minute-to-minute tracking, ensuring that you get a summary for it as well. Once you log into the screen, select for the timesheet module. Your screen will look like this. You can select the user. If you want to check for today or if there's a custom range, you can select the from and to dates and save it. Let's proceed with today right now. This will help you see all the tasks with the date, the task name, what is the duration that they're working on, for which client, and what is the service that they are engaged in. They can also update the status here if the task is running and once the task is completed. You can also export these timesheets and share it in case. In order to add a new task, you can define the task name, what is the task linked to, which client, what is the service that we're providing here, so income tax in this case, what is the status of the task, pending for now, select the date, or if there's a custom range that you want to define, basis what time that the task is being worked on. So we're working from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock on this, and save and create. This has created a new task. In order to configure the settings for the same, choose Settings, Configuration, and Timesheet. This is where you want to define when do you want to get a summary timesheet for the employees. You can select the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe all 3 of those days. And this is an option for notification. If you enable this option, your employees get a notification to fill their timesheet for you to read it. Save the settings and you're good to go.
Another quick way for you to manage your timestamps is simply go to the workboard, select a particular workboard, customize the screen to include a tracked time column and save. So whenever you're starting to work on this task, start the timer, and after you're done completing, simply save it. This will automatically update the time status on your ID.
That is all for today. Thank you for joining in with the WebLedger Office.